Hey guys, welcome to WordsAtScale. So last week I thought our niche newsletter was a pretty successful one, and I thought I would review the websites and a few things to mention before we go. So first off, the niche directory is getting longer and longer with each week, and the next iteration of the niche newsletter is going to be sent out on the 21st of December. We are now totaling 15 websites for parasitic SEO with low DR, high traffic potential that you can model after. And the best thing is that you get 300 keywords straight from Ahrefs completely for free. And one thing about the logistics of it, this Airtable is password protected, and the password is inside of your weekly newsletters. Each week is a different password, so you won't be able to use the same old password every time. So just be mindful of that. And yeah, I think this is extremely helpful for the people just starting out and seeing what's out there. And I'm already seeing a trend, and I covered these trends a few weeks ago, talking about how to survive the Google update. And I'm seeing more and more tools-based websites popping up. And I think 4 out of today's 5 websites are going to be tools-based. So let's check each of them one by one and see what's behind the hood, so to speak. So the first website that I found is Costco Gas Price, which is nothing more than just FAQ, which is optimized for SEO and a giant table. There is a drop-down menu when you can check the prices for Los Angeles, DC area, Bay Area, San Diego, and so on and so forth. It doesn't cover all the locations, I don't think, but still. And I have no idea how they are collecting this information, nor how are they updating it. But once you collect this, it's extremely simple. So I have something very similar inside of the Niche Scout website. So if you go to my website and then check out the 344 hobbyist tile, this one here, you get to this table. So it looks very similar. You can download, export, do anything. You can sort by the bid, by the average monthly searches, and this is Google Keyword Explorer data. So, and this took me like, I don't know, maybe half an hour to set up. And yeah, again, nothing else is on the website except for ads. And let's just see how lucrative this is in terms of the traffic. So this is 0.3 DR, so no DR at all, almost zero backlinks, but almost 14,000 in traffic. And look at the value of the traffic. So the RPMs must be very good on this website. And again, I'm not sure if all of the locations are being covered for Costco, but you can branch out to different locations. It's just a matter of figuring out how to collect these data here. But the website is extremely simple. This is not a fancy theme or anything, and so they are saying it here on the website that they are not affiliated with Costco. So very interesting and thought-provoking, because you can basically choose other gas stations, or instead of gas prices, you can probably go for petrol prices as well. The next website actually blew my mind. So this is called Fix My Speaker. And just before I tell you what it is and what it does, let me run it through Ahrefs. So this is DR0 and almost 300K in traffic and 30,000 per month in value. And look at this website traffic boner, the way Matt Diggity puts it. And all it is, again, it's a tool to check the speakers. So it just gives you a few sounds, 4 minutes of sounds and 8 minutes of sounds. So it goes like this. And this didn't work, but yeah, this basically allows you to check whether the speakers are working or not. But yeah, so this, I don't think this is a very complicated product. And if we go to the keywords, and again, I'm giving away 300 of the keywords. So this is ranking for Fix My Speakers, which is 1.4 million in volume, and this is in position number 2. The next website is in a relationship niche, which is again a pretty odd-looking website, a pretty amateurish looking theme, if I may say so myself. So it's called Mom and Daddy. Let's check it out, and let's see why I chose it. And I chose it because it's a newer website, so they have just started in April of this year, and they have a very good trajectory, 3K in traffic. The value of the traffic is not that significant, but there are a lot of ClickBank products around saving the marriage and this and that, and they have some video ads as well, so they must be monetized. And I thought this is just a very good site for parasitic SEO, so nothing complicated, 0 DR, almost 0 backlinks, and they are ranking for stuff like how to know if a woman is a nymph, can a man forget a woman he slept with, said his ex-wife is jealous, and stuff like that. So 0 KD or close to 0 KD. So great website for parasitic SEO. So that was website number 3. Website number 4 is a tools website, once again, a love language test. There is nothing else except for the FAQ on the website. So if we click on the language test, and this is free, it leads you to this one here. After finishing the test, you will receive a free snapshot. You will then have the option to purchase the full results report for $8. So this is directly monetized. And let's see what the traffic is. Yeah, the traffic is 34,000 visitors, and the traffic value is almost 2K. But once again, they are directly monetizing the test. So you get a skimmed version of the test, and then you can purchase a full one for $8. 6 backlinks, 0 DR. And this is called Love Language Test. And they're actually ranking for the love language test, and I have no idea if this is a specific type of test or this is just called love language test, but this is definitely working, and they have a lot of reviews, so over 2,000 reviews, and that's amazing. So the last website I thought was pretty good is Pop Culture Wonders, and this is a better looking website. They have a newsletter, they have social media with Instagram and Pinterest. Let's just check it out. So a non-existent Instagram account, 7 followers, nice. What about Pinterest? And Pinterest is 1 follower exactly. And the reason I decided to check it, because the website traffic is actually doing okay. So almost 20K in traffic and 43K in traffic value, and you'll see why in a second. So if we go to the keywords, they're ranking for stuff like Ariel Sisters, so basically toys, and toys is a very lucrative toys and cartoon characters, and this is a pretty lucrative niche. So let's just admire the CPC on this one. So Ariel Sisters, almost 8 in CPC. And again, you have different variations. McDonald's Happy Meal toys, another one. And this doesn't look like a lot of work, but very good niche actually, very, very good niche. And once again, 0 DR, some backlinks, okay, I will give them that, but the value of the traffic is enormous. So there you have it, guys, 5 websites for parasitic SEO. Many of them are tools-based. Many of them are in very interesting niches. So go ahead, model after these websites, use them for parasitic SEO. And again, on the 21st of December, the 13th edition of the Niche Scout newsletter is going to be out. 5 new websites with 1,500 Ahrefs keywords delivered to you for free by me. So enjoy. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. And I'll see you next time.